know it has been a while since I posted. Well, it's not been that long, maybe a couple of weeks, but I have been out and I have been trying to deal with a condition I have, gastric erosion. And I've been dealing with gastric erosion for a long time, for many years. But as the years have gone on, it has gotten worse. What is gastric erosion? Gastric erosions are spots of damage on the lining of the stomach. It can be very uncomfortable. And sometimes I even experience burning in my stomach. But as you can see, we're going to the lower part of the stomach, and you will see the hole that is in the lining of the stomach. And while this is not my stomach, this is a great video example of what gastric erosion looks like. I just wanted you all to know what was going on with me. So let's just take a look at how it affects my stomach. I know this is a bit different from what I usually post on my YouTube channel, but I am going to be sharing with you my journey to healing gastric erosion, and I'm just going to be sharing with you some things that I'm going to do to help heal it. So if you're out there and you're dealing with gastric erosion, you already know it's not fun. I'm going to just try doing natural therapy from anything that I can. I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing, but I want to heal my stomach. I want to feel better. I'm not an expert at gastric erosion. I had an endoscopy, and that's what the endoscopy found, and they offer different over-the-counter prescriptions and other things, but they just did not work. Some of the symptoms that I deal with is extreme bloating. My stomach is very tight, and you will see that in just a few seconds. My stomach is very tight. It's very uncomfortable. It swells so bad that it's hard for me to inhale because it's like my stomach is swollen up into my lungs. That's what it feels like. That's the only way I can explain it. But my stomach, it expands so bad. But anyway, I'm going to be taking you on this healing journey. And while I'm on this healing journey, I'm also going to be dropping a few pounds because I actually gained quite a bit of weight since last year, 35 pounds to be exact. So you're going to be on this journey with me. And if you like, enjoy what you see, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and comment below. And give me a little bit of support because this is going to be tough. So let's get this journey started. Hey y'all, so it's been a few days since that last video of my episode. And I'm going to show you what it looks like today. I feel so much better. And yes, my stomach it's amazing what just cutting down on some things and just changing my lifestyle around a little bit, what a difference it can make just in 4 or 5 days. So now see, just the appearance without me lifting my shirt up, you can see that there is definitely a big difference. So I'm going to lift my shirt up a little just so you can see my stomach. Now look at that. Look. Don't worry about the fat on my back, but as you can see, there is a big difference in my stomach. A big difference. I'm going to stay on this journey because I need to get my stomach health back on track. And I got 35 pounds I need to lose. So yes, Vivian is going to be pretty busy in the gym.